Imagine facing a medical emergency, a legal matter, or a parent-teacher meeting where every word is crucial, but none of it makes sense. At Liberty Language Services, we believe language should never be a barrier to quality care, education, or justice. Since our founding, we have provided reliable interpretation and translation services to ensure everyone is understood. We offer in-person, telephonic, and video remote interpretation services, as well as written document translation. We continue to meet the needs of diverse clients in healthcare, legal, government, and educational spaces. Our services are available anytime, anywhere. At Liberty, we understand that language access is more than just words. It's about connection, understanding, and equality. That's why we're proud to work with multilingual professionals who share our passion for breaking down language barriers.
Liberty Language Services has been a tremendous partner in ensuring that our attorneys are able to effectively communicate with their clients.
Our experience at Pediatric Specialists of Virginia with Liberty Language Services has been consistently positive. Whether they're here on site in person or over the phone, they're professional and compassionate.
They have been such a gift to DCVLP and the community of clients that we serve.
We are dedicated to providing the highest quality language access services at affordable prices, ensuring that everyone has meaningful access when it matters. We were founded on the belief in freedom and equality. We're here to bridge language gaps where everyone's voice is heard and valued. If you or your organization are facing language barriers, let Liberty Language Services be your total language solution. Visit our website or call us today to find out how we can help you bridge the gap.